Welcome to this Fabricville video tutorial in which we are going to make a zipper pocket. To start, I identify the placement of the pocket opening by marking a line that is the length of the zipper. I also mark this line on the upper pocket pouch that I will pin on the right side of the fabric. Now I mark a rectangle around the future opening. Its width will be the visible part of the zipper, here 0.5 centimeters. I draw a V at both ends and I stitch around this rectangle. Then I cut along the opening line. And I also cut the V sides to form notches. I pass the pocket pouch through the slit to the wrong side and I press. I can now place the zipper and I pin. Then I will top stitch around the opening. I turn it over to the wrong side and I put the lower pocket pouch on top of the upper pocket pouch, right sides together, before stitching on the edges. And our zipper pocket is done. Thanks for watching.